3X XXX Lex back in the building. Gentlemen, I'm back here today. Important update for the Excalibur Dragon Slayer. Very important update. Now, I'm here today to discuss the addition of front USB ports on all models of the Slayer. So, in addition to the mod Slayer, which I've shown off, which is going to have front USB ports, you're also going to see front USB ports on the standard arcade machine. You'll have one front USB port, so you'll have easy access to plug in any controllers in addition to the four-player controls or two-player controls or trackball options you have. You're also going to have additional ports here, and you'll be able to just plug your joystick in. For this particular model, this is a hybrid model. So with 5 separate platforms on this particular arcade machine, with 5 completely different platforms on this arcade machine, you need multiple USB ports. So 4 of the 5 different, one second, let me cut this down a bit. All right, 4 of the 5 different platforms will have USB ports. So every platform except the handheld. So everything being PC based will have USB ports, and you'll be able to just plug into whatever device you have running. So if you have your arcade front running, or you have your Android PC front running, or you have your gaming PC running, and for the 4th platform, that's a mystery. I'm going to get to that in another video, but I got something big coming. Keep your eyes open. But anyway, these front USB ports are very useful. Now, to give you an example of that, hey, you can just plug right in here. So and it's plug and play. So if you want to play a main game, you can come in here, Crime City, start it up. In addition to being able to play with that, if you want to just play with a wireless controller, you can plug your dongle in here. External mouse and keyboard, like if you want to play some of the retro PC games, you can do that, and you're good. It's just extremely convenient. I really like this setup. I spent a lot of time over the weekend experimenting with this setup. It's fantastic, and it's the only way to go. Nobody else is pretty much doing this right now. I've been keeping a close eye on the game. There are like a lot of PC-based machines out there, and I see people running extension cables and cords and everything, but having direct front access is just ultra convenient. So I highly suggest it, and I highly recommend it. So it's just badass to be able to do that. Cool. So, Crime City, great game, throwback. But yeah, you know, definitely, it's fantastic. So, and this, again, it works on every platform. This is just the arcade platform, but I'll show you, before I get out of here, let me show you the PC and the, one second. Get that going. In the Android side of things, get that going. But this is ultra convenient, guys. And any external arcade sticks or anything you want to plug up, it'll be easy plug and play. And I'm gonna come up. I've been experimenting with a add-on mount to mount an external arcade stick or flight stick or like keyboard and mouse. I'm pretty much have come up with the idea that I'm going to design, and you'll see it soon, it's going to be a companion front desk that pretty much lines up head to head with this tail end of this control deck, and it's probably going to extend probably another 15 inches, and it'll have enough room for keyboards, mouse, and everything. So when you want to plug and play on the PC side of things, you'll just be able to sit your keyboard and mouse here and plug directly in, and it'll be mounted right in front of here. So it'll be a companion desk. It'll line up, it'll match the style and look of the Slayer, and you'll be able to add and remove the desk at your will. Like if you're done with it, you'll just be able to throw it to the side. But it's gonna work out fantastic. Anyway, take a quick look over here. All right. So we're on the Android front here. So that's going to be right there. So again, plug and play. You can just plug your controller in and you're good to go. So if you want to check out some of the games, like you come in here and let's check out Blackmore 2. Graphics look great. Hold on. This was an annoying stage. I remember this. I haven't played this in a while. But hey, some of these mobile games are badass, man. Like I freaking love Blackmore 2 and Maximus 2. Four Fats like pretty much outdid themselves with these damn games. Anyway, that's Blackmore 2. But just to show you the ability to plug and play. And in addition to that, you know, we can go to the PC side of things. So that should be good to go. Whoops, wrong one. That should be good to go. All right, so the cool thing about that is you can have your wireless keyboards and things, and you know, if you got a cell phone, the with the gaming PC having its own USB port up front, you can pretty much just plug in. If you got a cell phone or wireless keyboard or something, you can just pretty much just plug that in and charge your devices, wireless keyboards, phones, or anything that you have. So that's one of the really cool things about that. Beyond that, You know, again, you know, if it's a particular game or anything you want to play, then hey, it's the controllers are going to be plug and play up front on the cabinet. So let's check out drainers right quick. Alrighty. So definitely one of my faves. Hey, I gotta do a playthrough of drainers for real. All right, just a quick showing off everything. Quick breakdown. But yeah, so that's showing all three platforms, 3 out of the 4 platforms, using the front USB ports. I freaking love this setup. This is the only way to go. I don't really see anybody else doing that or doing this. Extremely useful, extremely functional, and it gives you even greater distance plugging directly into the front of the cabinet. So hey, it works great with wireless controllers. That's all I got for this one, guys. Keep a close eye on this channel. I know I haven't been posting a lot of videos recently. Website is still under development. I've been working with my website developer. Gonna have that out hopefully before the end of the month, and it'll be soon. When it's done right. I'll definitely be ready to show that off. But in the meantime, keep your eyes glued on this channel. Just wanted to show off the front USB ports and those functional, and you're gonna see more and more content. Another mystery platform has been added to the Slayer. You guys are gonna like it. The functionality of this cabinet is through the roof already, but I'm trying to take it into the stratosphere. 3X Lex out, and I'll get with you on the next one. Peace.